welcome to my GptHub review. GptHub is a website that pays you for doing simple, easy get paid to tasks. And I mean, it's a really simple task, and I'm going to show you in a moment what these tasks are all about because I signed up to this site. I took it for a test drive, and that's what this video is all about, to show you my experiences, but more importantly, to give you an idea of what you are in store for should you decide to sign up and whether it will be worth your while. Hi there, this is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. If it's your first time here, very warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. That's the ultimate goal of this channel and my website, which by the way goes with the same name, Passive Income for All, is to show you opportunities where you can build yourself a solid online business and earn passive income on an ongoing basis. So let's get started with GptHub. First things first, let's take a look at the website. Okay, so this is the official website and it's gpthub.com, and welcome in the Get Paid to Club with GptHub. Earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, tasks, offers, watching videos, playing games, and so much more. So they have a free sign up, which is a cool part, so you don't have to pay anything to join GptHub. According to them, they have paid around $2,240 to their 8,561 members, and the simple tasks that you can do are videos, playing games, surveys, and you can do some shopping as well. And then they talk to you about how you can go about earning, which I'm going to show you shortly. And then you can participate in contests, which I'm also going to talk about. You see, the main idea of this website is to cater for two parties, namely the advertisers and folks who wants to earn money. As an advertiser, you can use the platform to increase brand exposure to your company, and they got various packages which you can choose from in order to use the site. For instance, you can put ads when somebody wants to log in, and thus is the various packages that you can choose. For 30 days it's about $6, so it's pretty cheap. And I wonder why it's so cheap is because, I mean, most of the people, when they sign up to a site like this, their main intention is to earn money, right? So you're not going to really worry about clicking on any of these ads or anything of that sort. And that's the reason why I think the ads are so cheap, because I personally don't think it's that effective, because me as a user, my main aim was try to earn money. And that brings me to folks who wants to earn money, and there are various categories in which you can earn, and I'm going to talk more about that next. Okay, so as I said, it's a get paid to website, so you can do some really easy tasks. For instance, you can view the ads, maybe you can answer some surveys, or you can even take some quizzes. So as I said earlier on, I put it to the test, and I published this article on my website, and I want to show you the results on what happened on my websites. And do take note that they don't pay much at all for completing these tasks. Check it out. Here we are at my website, passiveincomeforall.com, and feel free to check out my website whenever you want to. And GptHub review. Let's just go down. Okay, here we are, how to make money with GptHub. So once you're in the members area, simply click on the money tab. So this is the money tab, and here all the tasks will come up which you can go ahead and do. So the first part I decided to do was the quizzes part, which is this part here. And the pay for completing a quiz is really small, like they would pay you in the region of 24, 0.024, so it's not even 24 cents, up to 0.072. And these are the pay for some of these tasks. And the interesting thing is that most of these quiz options led straight to the main Google page. So in other words, even you click on any of these tasks, there was no task to really perform. And then the survey part, like most surveys that I tried on other websites, I found myself putting in a huge amount of screeners. Now screeners, if you don't know what that is, those are more qualifying surveys that you have to fill out in order to see if you qualify for the main service. So you don't really get paid. They want to just check out your profile or your interest and that sort of thing. So nevertheless, I still signed up to be notified of any survey jobs, and 2 weeks had gone by and still nothing has happened. And then I tried to tackle the bonus game section, and there nothing happened as well, because just like the survey quiz section, it led to the main Google page. However, the viewing ads, that's where I had some luck. It was super easy to do. All I had to do was click on one of the ads. A new page would open, allowing me to view the ad for a minimum of 10 seconds. That's all I had to do. And thereafter, my account would be being credited with the relevant amount. And I made myself 0.00005 cents. So that's pretty cool, right? Okay, so those are the main ways in which I earn money with the GptHub. And they also have contests, but that ended back in December 2010. Now there are other ways in which you can earn with GptHub. And the other way in which you can earn some money, extra money, is if you upgrade your membership account. Remember, you're signing up as a free member. They do have 3 options where you can upgrade your account. There's a Click Family membership, then there's an Elite membership, and there's a Super Elite membership. Now naturally, the higher the option that you choose, the more ads you get to view, and ultimately the more money that you can make. I believe that is with the Elite and the Super Elite membership, you get to view an unlimited amount of ads. And in addition to it, they also have a referral program. That means you got a link, and with this link you can get other people to sign up under you, and you get 10 cents for every single referral that signs up under your name. Now, I haven't made much money with this platform, but let's take a look at some of the folks who have made money with GptHub and see if it's really worth your while. Can you really make money with GptHub? It was refreshing to see that folks have made money using GptHub. Most of the earnings were below $10. There were folks who have made more than $10, as you can see, $5, $11.15, $4.94, $2, $5.73, and $3.71. So that I have also learned that the GptHub pays through various methods such as Skrill, Payoneer, Bitcoin, and according to the terms and conditions, they will only process your second payment once you post your proof within the community forums. So is GptHub a scam? Or is it worth your while? Okay, so now is GptHub a scam? Is it a legit platform? Should you sign up to this platform? Let's talk quickly about some of the positive parts and some of the negative things about GptHub. Look, some of the things that I liked about it, it's free to sign up. They got worldwide registrations. The tasks are easy to do. And there's even a payment proof section. But now let's talk about some of the negative things about GptHub. Is that you are not going to always be guaranteed survey jobs. Then the pay per task is extremely small, and it takes a long time to complete some of the tasks. For instance, these quizzes. I have done quizzes on other GPT sites, and I can tell you it's no different. Let's see if they get it working on this site. It takes you ages to complete the task. But the most important negative about it is that it's not going to afford you a passive income earning opportunity. You're not going to earn money on a passive income. So to summarize, GptHub is a legit platform, right? And this you can gauge from the member testimonials or from the payment proofs rather. If you can sign up, you can earn some money, but the earning potential is extremely small. And if you are someone who is willing to trade your precious time just to earn a few cents, then perhaps you can give GptHub a shot. But even on the other end, if you are someone who is looking to make your time count and you want to build an online business that will have a solid foundation, that will give you a passive income potential, then you shouldn't even be looking at these kind of opportunities, because there's only so much that you can go. And at this point in time, I'd like to draw your attention to my #1 recommendation. If you click on the link below this video, you're going to see a page that's going to talk about a training platform that helps people to build their own online business. It's a newbie friendly platform, but most importantly is that there's a community that's there to help you to get started with your business. And you don't even have to pay anything. In fact, when you sign up, there's a 7-day trial. And I promise you one thing, I can guarantee you this, is that if you give it that 7 days and if you work diligently on the training for the 7-day trial, you would have accomplished so much more. And you might even come to this point where you feel more proud of yourself because you got a taste now of what it feels like to build your own online business. And I'm hoping that that will spur you on to continue with the training. And I'll be there every step to help you. I mean, every step of the way to help you. But you know what? It starts with you taking that one step. Having said that, thanks so much for joining me on this GptHub review. I hope that it has given you a clearer picture of what Get Paid to Sites on a whole is all about. And if you need any help or if you want to ask any questions, you know what? Just leave it down below this video and I'll be happy to help you. Once again, I'd like to wish you everything of the best in your online success, and do take care. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can meet in the next video. Wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.